Good afternoon, Recon here with Techout. Today I'm going to be doing my first impressions video between my Apple Watch Series 4 and my Apple Watch Series 6 product red. These are both 44mm, so overall the casing design is the same. It's just going to be the internal upgrades and the always-on display on the Series 6. I had a few minutes to check this out and play around with it, and apps do seem a little bit faster, but that being said, apps on the Series 4 were also pretty fast on watchOS 7. So ever since I updated the beta on that definitely helped with speed of launching apps and stuff like that. But the Series 6 is supposed to be about 20-25% faster with the new processor. The band on it is the red band, the red sport band. It's the same band I had on this Apple Watch, which is why this one doesn't have a band on it right now, because I did not open the band that came with the new watch. I just saved that for later if I ever need an extra one, because this band is still perfectly fine. But so far, very nice, very happy with it. Sorry, the band is a little bit dirty, but other than that, everything is good. I love the red color. It looks beautiful. That black on red is definitely very nice. I haven't been able to try out the oxygen, the blood oxygen measurement yet, because I am actually on iOS 14.2 beta 1 and watchOS 7.1, and that feature is not working in that right now. It's a known issue. It's not that it's broken, it's just not there at all right now. So we will be waiting on that in an upcoming beta of 7.1 and 14.2, and hopefully I'll be able to try it out then. But so far so good. The watch charged up pretty quick. Charging does seem a little bit faster on the Series 6 than it does the Series 4. I can't comment on battery life because I haven't had a full day to run down the battery and let you guys know how it is. But other than that, very impressed and glad I upgraded. I am trading this one in, so I'm waiting on the Apple trade-in kit to come for the Series 4, and I will get that shipped back to Apple and get $140 trade-in credit refunded for the purchase of the Series 6. If you guys have any questions about the watch, feel free to drop them down in the comments section below, and I will answer them as quick as I can. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and as always, have a great day.